Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing the Paula's Choice 1% BHA Sensitive Skin Exfoliant with salicylic acid and allantoin. This is the product. This is what it looks like. Paula's Choice kindly sent this as part of PR a long time ago, and I am not getting paid to share my thoughts and opinions with you all today. If you're new here, my name is Nadia and I'm a licensed esthetician who loves to test and review skincare products. Consider subscribing if you also love product reviews. Paula's Choice describes this as a non-abrasive leave-on exfoliant that gently smooths away dulling buildup and unclogs pores while preserving the skin's natural, delicate barrier. You can find this at paulaschoice.com and it will be linked down below for you. A 3.3 ounce unit like this retails for $35, and there is a travel size unit available that retails for $13. Paula's Choice suggests that you apply this once or twice daily after cleansing and toning the skin. You want to apply a dime-sized amount to the entire face, including the eye area, avoiding the lower lash line and eyelids. You do not want to rinse this off, and when used during the day, you want to make sure you follow with your favorite SPF. Within this formula, we do see a number of hydrators, anti-agers, and skin-soothing ingredients. The most notable are, of course, salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is an oil-loving beta-hydroxy acid that exfoliates inside each and every pore. Because it can exfoliate each pore from within, it helps to reduce whiteheads and blackheads. Salicylic acid is also a skin soother and can improve texture. We also see mushroom extract, which I've been seeing a lot in the products that I have been testing this year. Mushroom extract is a skin-soothing and anti-aging antioxidant. It promotes younger-looking skin, and because it has skin-soothing properties, it makes it an excellent ingredient for those with sensitive skin, those with skin prone to redness, and skin that is also reactive. To further help sensitive or sensitized skin, we see alpha-glucan oligosaccharide. I think that's how you say it. This is a natural prebiotic that helps support and maintain a healthy microbiome. When the skin's microbiome is unhealthy, we tend to see irritation and sensitized skin. I first used this on September 2nd. I used 3 pumps, which is definitely more than a dime-sized amount, but I did use it over the face, neck, and décolleté after feeling grimy. I had not exfoliated in days after skin became sensitized. I was experiencing redness, itchiness, warmth, and irritation. I felt little to no tingle upon initial application. I found this to be instantly soothing. Texture, however, was so much more different than the original skin perfecting exfoliator. This felt more like a thick lotion instead of a liquid, and it gave skin a nice glow. 2 days later, I noted that my skin sensitivity flared up after use. I definitely realized that I needed to wait longer to introduce an exfoliant to the skin. I noted that I would revisit this when the skin was feeling about 80% better. Sensitive skin would probably not react the same way I did, of course. There is a difference between sensitive and sensitized skin. Sensitive skin is a type of skin that is likely to become irritated, while sensitized skin is a temporary state of hypersensitivity. Sensitized skin, like I was experiencing, should avoid triggers, minimize the skincare routine, apply a thick ointment or cream to dry, flaky, itchy, red areas. I definitely should not have used this when I did, but I was feeling grimy. So I was like, let me just use this. So later on September 9th, I used this during my morning and nighttime routine without any issues after my skin became sensitized, and I still experienced no tingle. On October 17th, I noted that this is good for sensitive skin, not so much sensitized skin. So I learned my lesson because sensitized skin should not use exfoliants. I noted that this doesn't give the skin the glow that I experienced with the other exfoliating liquids by Paula's Choice. This is definitely something I will keep around to use when I am using tretinoin or when my skin just isn't able to tolerate the other Paula's Choice liquid exfoliants. Not sure if you could see from the demo today, I am experiencing a bit of flaking here from tretinoin use. So when I did avoid exfoliants until today's demo, just so that I wouldn't over exfoliate the skin, and just a little bit of irritation here from the tret. So I will definitely keep this around for those days where I do need a physical or a chemical exfoliant, but I don't want to go in with like 2% salicylic acid. So I do want to mention, however, that I do prefer the original formula, the 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. I will link my review to that up above. I do feel like that review may be a bit dated, so I may or may not upload an updated review for you. But do know that I have been using the 2% BHA liquid exfoliant throughout the summer, and I felt like my skin was just thriving. I also do prefer the Paula's Choice 6% mandelic and 2% lactic acid liquid exfoliant. I will also link that review for you up above. I loved that new product so much that it was featured in an empties video because I emptied it so fast. The glow, the level of exfoliation and improvement of my skin's texture was something that I could see and feel with those two formulas, and one that I feel is better suited for my normal conditioned skin. So when my skin is not sensitive, and I am not using, of course, tretinoin twice a week, it is something that my skin can tolerate. But for now, I will continue to use this. Overall results from use, I have noticed soothed skin, hydrated skin, and I feel like it does, in fact, minimize congestion and breakouts without overly drying and stripping the skin, which I think is essential for sensitive skin. When I initially introduced this to my skin, I was using it with the rest of the Paula's Choice Calm range. And since then, I have used this product with other ranges, and it has performed incredibly well. Today, I am wearing it under the Drunk Elephant C-luma Hydra Bright Facial, so I will link the review to the Drunk Elephant serum up above. Did I call it facial? Hydra Bright Serum. So I will link my review to that up above for you all in case you do in fact have sensitive skin and want to look for a brightening serum that isn't L-ascorbic acid, because sensitive skin can also tend to be a little finicky with L-ascorbic acid. This works very well under an SPF. This works well under multiple moisturizers and facial oils, because I am using facial oils now. So no pilling despite its thicker kind of consistency, so not like watery like the other liquid exfoliants. My favorite way to use this was after cleansing with the Drunk Elephant Best Jelly Cleanser, applying a layer of thermal spring water and using 2 pumps of this on the face, neck, and décolleté. I would follow it with the PC Repairing Serum and the Drunk Elephant Proteiny Polypeptide Cream, and top it off with the Murad Cellular Hydration Repair Mask. I will link my review to that product up above as well, as that really helped to further calm and soothe my sensitized skin. I would recommend this to anyone with sensitive skin or skin that is new to exfoliating acids, looking to also calm, soothe, and very gently treat pores, congestion, and breakouts. I feel like this is loaded with hydrating and skin soothing ingredients that you can start by using this one per day and then just gradually build on that and use it twice a day. Perhaps you can also use this to condition the skin, to use the Skin Perfecting 6% mandelic acid and lactic acid liquid exfoliant, and then you can perhaps graduate and start using the 2% BHA liquid exfoliant, the original formula. The one that started it all. Pros, I feel like this is a great starter liquid exfoliant if you're new to exfoliants or perhaps just have sensitive skin. This could again be a stepping stone for the other Paula's Choice liquid exfoliants if you have a less is more approach to skincare. This is definitely a thicker formula when compared to the other PC liquid exfoliants, which make it better for sensitive and perhaps sensitized skin. I actually do find this to be very soothing to the skin. Even right now, as I applied it to the skin during the demo, I just felt instantly soothed. So I think it's great for that as well. This is a gentle exfoliant that'll keep breakouts and congestion at bay. And I do love the fact that this is fragrance and essential oil free, which is great for sensitive skin. My con is that as someone who enjoys / loves the other liquid exfoliants, specifically its texture, this for me was a bit of a letdown. But understandable, as it has got to be a little bit more hydrating for my sensitive skinned friends. This gives the skin a nice glow, but definitely nowhere near the level of the other liquid exfoliants. So I am rating this a 7 out of 10. This is definitely not my top exfoliating liquid from Paula's Choice, or even my top hydrating product. The original formula, however, is still #1 for me. This is a good skin soother, but it is nowhere near as hydrating as even the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Toner. I will link my review to that up above for you as well. I still, however, do appreciate the soothing and calming properties of this product, which I can feel almost instantly upon application. So I'll definitely keep this around. I will try my best to empty it. I feel like there's still quite a bit of product in here, but I will definitely continue to use this, especially during the drier, cooler months that are up ahead. So let me know if you have used this product by Paula's Choice in the comments down below. What were your results, and would you recommend this to others? Let me know if you have sensitive skin, especially for those who have sensitive skin. Did you enjoy this? Is this your top liquid exfoliant? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you all so much for watching, for spending some time with me today. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you have yet to subscribe. Hit that like button if you learned something new today. I will see you in my next video. Bye. I was feeling redness, itchiness. Hello everyone, and welcome back to